Hello friends, welcome. Many of you might be aware of variant configuration features, especially in make to order scenario. You will be predominantly adopting the solution involving object dependencies. The dependency can be of type constraint, preconditions, procedures or selection conditions. For determining the selection of BOM components and task list activities, you might have leveraged selection conditions. To disable the customer selections which are not offered by selling organization, you might have used preconditions. You may have also used preconditions to make guided selections to enable some selections only on basis of some other previous selections. To make easy selection, you might have used procedure type dependencies to set the defaults for most widely selected options. Using procedure type dependencies, you could also limit the customer selection to one value on the basis of customer selections. Using the constraints, you can do a lot more. However, for less complex scenarios, especially when the material is determined just on the basis of one characteristic value or combination of a couple of characteristics, you may adopt a solution involving material classification. Let us discuss how it works using a business case. We will meet again to discuss another topic. Thank you very much.